Good morning, class 12th. Good afternoon, class 12th. Welcome back to our class. In class, our chapter, poem number 2, An elementary is classroom in an elementary school classroom in a slum. It I have explained you. Then after I have given question answer, and today I am going to give you the central idea of this poem. So all the students write down the central idea. Okay, class. बच्चों write down the central idea. लिखिए. In this poem, the poet, in this poem, central idea of the poem, in this poem, the poet, comma, Stephen Spender has presented a true picture of the life of the school children living in a slum SLUM, living in a slum, full stop. The children are in a very miserable condition. The children are in a very miserable condition due to their poverty. Due to their poverty, poverty and illiteracy, ILLITERACY, illiteracy. Full stop. They are displaced. DEPRESSED, displaced. Full stop. Their pale faces shows pale faces shows shows their sadness. Full stop. They look weak. They look weak and lean, LEAN माने कमजोर. They look weak and lean. Full stop. Due to not getting proper nourishment, proper nourishment, their bones peeped out. Peeped out. Their skins. Peeped out their skins. Full stop. They are like rootless weeds. They are like rootless, rootless weeds, WWD माने जंगली और पेड़ पौधे, weeds, which cannot resist anything, which cannot resist, RESIST, anything, for their existence, EXISTENCE, existence. Full stop. They are physically, EHYSICALL, they are physically very weak, very weak, WEAK weak, and undernourished, full stop. Spender is much worried. Spender is much worried. Spender is much worried. Is much worried for the children. For the children who live all their life, in slum, and have no opportunity to enjoy the real blessings, BLESSINGS, blessings of life, real blessings of life, full stop. He makes a frantic appeal. To the authorities, AUTHORITIES authorities, the educated and different sections, to make the life of slum children, better. Make the life of slum children better through education, full stop. It will remove social injustice, and class inequality, हाँ बच्चों, आज मैंने इसका सेंट्रल आइडिया दिखाया। एक बार फिर से पूरा रिपीट कर दे रहे हैं। In this poem, the poet, Stephen Spender has presented a true picture of the life of the school children living in a slum. Full stop. The children are in a very miserable condition due to their poverty and illiteracy. Full stop. They are depressed. Full stop. Their pale faces shows their sadness. They look weak and lean due to not getting proper nourishment. Their bones peeped out their skins. They are like rootless weeds which cannot resist anything for their existence. EXISTENCE. They are physically very weak and undernourished. Spender is much worried for these children who live all their life in slum and have no opportunity to enjoy the real blessing of life. He makes a frantic appeal to the authorities for the educated and the different sections to make the life of some children better through education. It will remove social injustice and class inequality. चलो बच्चों, सारा आप लोगों को ये वाला चैप्टर की मैंने ये इन एलिमेंट्री ऑफ स्लम, ये आपका चैप्टर पूरा हो गया है और मैंने इसका वर्क भी आपको मतलब पूरा कंप्लीट हो गया आज मेरा ये चैप्टर। और इसके पश्चात आपको ये एक्स्ट्रा बच्चों स्टेप बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आंसर आप लोग अपनी बुक से अपने आप स्वयं सॉल्व किया करिए ताकि आपकी प्रैक्टिस होगी। इसके लिए और भी अगर कोई आपको प्रॉब्लम है तो आप हमसे बताइए कि मैडम ये चीज़ हमको समझ में नहीं आती है, ठीक है। और बाकी बच्चों सारे